Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 113. A bakery kept a record of the number of loaves of bread a tuck shop ordered daily over the last 18 days. The information is shown in the table below. Right, this is the information here. Calculate the number of days on which the number of loaves of bread was more than one standard deviation above the mean. Okay, then in question 1.1.1, we found that our mean is 22 loaves. Okay, and then the standard deviation, we calculate standard deviation in question 112. Standard deviation is equal to 10,17. And then the question says, or the instruction says, calculate the number of days on which the number of loaves of bread was more than one standard deviation above the mean. So this is one standard deviation. So we say 22, because it says one standard deviation above the mean, 22 plus 10,17, which is 32,17. Right, now let's check. How many days did the tuck shop order more than 32,17 loaves? So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that? All these are above 32,17, so it means it's 5 days.